Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a fascinating field that has the potential to revolutionize our world. However, with its rapid advancement, come certain concerns that need to be addressed. In this video, we will explore 4 key concerns about AI, as discussed by Swami Sarvapriyananda. The first concern is the fear of job displacement. Many people worry that AI will replace humans in various industries, leading to widespread unemployment. However, Swami Sarvapriyananda reminds us that history has shown us that technological advancements often create new opportunities for employment. AI can complement human intelligence, leading to more efficient and productive work environments. The second concern is the ethical implications of AI. As AI becomes more sophisticated, questions arise about privacy, surveillance, and data protection. Swami Sarvapriyananda emphasizes the importance of creating ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure that AI is used responsibly and for the benefit of humanity. The third concern revolves around AI's potential for bias and discrimination. AI systems learn from data, and if that data contains biases, it can lead to unfair decisions. Swami Sarvapriyananda suggests that in order to mitigate this, diverse teams should be involved in AI development and that algorithms should be continuously monitored and improved. The final concern is the existential threat posed by superintelligent AI. Some fear that AI could surpass human intelligence and become uncontrollable, leading to a dystopian future. However, Swami Sarvapriyananda reminds us that consciousness and human creativity cannot be replicated by machines. He encourages us to cultivate our innate qualities and not solely rely on AI. In conclusion, while AI presents concerns, it also offers immense potential for innovation and progress. By addressing these concerns, we can create a future where AI enhances our lives without jeopardizing our humanity. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative, please subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking discussions on various topics.